Today we'll be discussing about a simple gesture which can help you convert your referred patients to your loyal patients. Let's discuss about that today. Hi guys, welcome to LDFS. I'm Dr. Lakshmy. Today we'll be discussing about referred patients. And in this video, when I say by referred patients, that means I'm talking about those patients whom we have referred to some other surgeon or dentist or doctors, to some other clinic or hospital. So today we will be discussing about a simple gesture which can help you convert those referred patients to your loyal patients. There are a lot of ways to do it, but one of the way is with the help of follow-ups. Yes, follow-ups are very powerful. So imagine whenever we are referring some case to some other hospital, let's suppose. At that time, whenever, or some other surgeon, at that time, whenever we take the update or whenever we want the update of that patient, we directly call the doctor and ask the detail about it. But have you ever given a call to the patient? Have you ever asked the patient that how was the consultation? Was he confident about that doctor? Does he have any doubts about the treatment? When we do those things, when we do those follow-ups, the patient feels a lot more happy and lot more cared for. He will have a connection with us, and that is what we want. And that small thing or small gesture helps us to convert them to our loyal patients. Now, let me explain this with the help of an example of which I personally experienced. So, what happened was one day, one patient came to my clinic who was having cyst. After thorough examination, we found that we had to refer him to a hospital and to a surgeon. We gave him all the details of the doctor, everything, the hospital, and later on we briefed about his case to the doctor. These steps are done by all of us. But what we did extra was after the consultation with the doctor, it was done. We called up the doctor, asked all the details about it, the pre treatment, post treatment, charges, how many days of any, admission, anything. All the details about the treatment we asked directly to the doctor. After that, we gave a call to the patient. I had a thorough discussion with the patient for about half an hour. It's totally free of cost. We are doing it from our side. We want to help them, or we want the patient to understand that we care for them. In that call, I asked him all the details like how did he find the surgeon? Was he comfortable with the hospital? Is it nearby to his house? Is the insurance covered in that hospital? Any details he want? Any doubt he has? Did he understand the treatment? Did he understand the surgery? Each and every detail of everything I asked him. There were some doubts about some the treatment and all those things. We cleared those doubts and we helped him take that decision of going ahead with the treatment. And after the treatment was done, after the surgery was done, we gave him a follow-up call and asked him about how he felt. Was he okay? Was there any pain? And all those things. The patient was super happy. And this didn't cost us anything. It was just a gesture of a half an hour call. That's it. But the patient felt so happy that he not only referred different patient to us, but we were also his family doctor. And that means a lot. Just not by doing the treatment, just by follow up call has helped us convert that normal referred patients to a loyal patients. I hope you liked today's video. I hope you found it useful. Kindly like, share, and subscribe us and send us a hi on this number. We'll add you to our WhatsApp broadcast list, and whenever we are releasing any content, you'll be the first person to receive it. Thank you so much, guys. Until next time, bye.